Last night, a powerful storm swept across southern Texas, hitting cities including Portland, Ingleside, Taft, Alice, Corpus Christi, and Ingleside on the Bay. Golf ball to softball-sized hail pounded down on cars, rooftops, and crops, leaving widespread damage in its wake. Wind gusts reached up to 70 miles per hour, while heavy rain added to the chaos.
Y'all, we got stuck in a fucking hailstorm. This is the fucking scariest shit ever.
Residents described the hailstorm as relentless, with loud, shattering impacts that broke windows, dented vehicles, and tore through homes. In Taft, a woman captured terrifying footage as hail crashed inside her house, smashing glass and causing extensive damage. Cars were left severely damaged, roofs were punctured, and farmland suffered as the storm swept through the region.
No, look. I'm gonna reach it. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow daylight.
Some areas, like Sinton and Odom, were fortunate to escape the worst of the storm, giving locals a sense of relief. Drivers caught on highways had to take cover under bridges and overpasses to avoid the hail, while many shared stories of sudden, overwhelming impacts striking vehicles just moments apart. Families huddled in safety as the storm raged around them, thankful to have made it through unharmed.
Aquí se van a granizar los carros. ¿Entendiera? ¿No?
Alice, Texas also faced intense hail, but residents expressed gratitude that everyone was safe despite the destructive weather. Photos from the region show shattered windshields and vehicles damaged beyond repair. Officials warned that more storms could develop across the coastal Bend area, urging residents to remain alert during severe weather. This extreme weather event highlights the sudden and dangerous power of nature. Communities across southern Texas are assessing damages, helping those affected, and sending prayers to victims of the storm. As emergency services continue their work, the region reflects on the storm's impact, emphasizing preparedness and caution during severe weather events.
No, it's not breaking windows because they're still driving.
Oh, no way.